Hi and hello, people of the internet. My name is Joe Sharp, and if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how to save and save as, aren't you? Well, you clicked on the right thumbnail. I, Joe Sharp, will be your guide to this tutorial as we both examine the difference between save and save as together. Shall we? Believe you me, I was very confused upon learning the differences firsthand. I didn't know when to use which method, or why. Never fear, for this is exactly what I will be demonstrating here in order to help you work smarter, and not harder. Let us begin. The first thing you want to do is to open Microsoft Word. I'm going to open a recent document by clicking on Open Recent. So, say I've got the school paper that I'm working on. And I've been working on this paper, making it sound really nice for this teacher person, and now I want to save it. What the heck do I do? Let's say you want to save this paper, but you don't care about its earlier version. Go up to File, and click on the option to Save. Now, when I click Save, it will overwrite the original file with this modified version. After you save, you cannot undo past the last save mark. Now, let's say you want to save a new version of this paper, and you want to keep the original version unchanged. So, same format, different copy, equals save as. Save as takes that document and saves it as a new document. Go to File and click Save As. And up pops a dialog box giving you the option to rename your document, and to change your destination. Paper underscore 01 is for my first class, so I'll rename this paper underscore 02 for my second class. So I want to go ahead and select my Documents folder, then I click Save. So using Save As, instead replacing your old document creates an entire new document that I can title and save it as that particular document. Save As is great for maintaining backups of separate versions, and saving is great for maintaining your current version. As far as saving is concerned, well, you can never do it enough. So be sure to hit Command S whenever you feel a hint of paranoia. It is a good idea to practice save and save as on your own, despite how frustrating it may be. But once you've mastered the concept, you'll gain this essential skill for managing your different projects. So guys, that's all for today. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. We'll see you next time.